And here it is, waiting for us, the CTA Holiday Train. Excited? Are you excited? Santa!
I'm excited to see Santa. I heard Santa was gonna be on there.
Hi, Santa!
Merry Christmas, how are you?
Good, what would you like for Christmas?
Oh, world peace.
World peace.
Yes, that would be wonderful. Even for a day.
Even for a day. Hello! Hi, Sugar. What do you hope for Christmas? Peace and love and joy for everyone.
What would I like for Christmas? I would like to go to Disney World.
I would like, I think what we've already had, which is so many wonderful memories and spending time doing all these things.
This is really fun. I've never been. I grew up in Chicago, but I've never been on it.
Oh, I'm feeling great.
Feeling great?
Oh, I'm enjoying all these beautiful smiles. It's a wonderful thing. The holiday train is a ton of fun. We're really glad that the CTA does it.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas, how are you guys?
Thank you for being a good driver.
Thank you.
Are you on time?
where?
Like the Polar Express? Show me how on time you are. You check your watch all the time?
I'm always checking it, you see? We're precise. All right, guys. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Bye-bye.
Bye.